Hi, I'm miltonchang of Bonsai Heirloom. Today is May 1st. I have in this hand a diacia, a flower I came across in a small tray in a nursery. It's in the same family. It's a snapdragon. And this is my bonsai. The bonsai we shipped, the smaller one of the two bonsais. And the point I want to make today is that this is by definition a bonsai. A bonsai just means a plant growing in a pot. And so this is truly a bonsai. So if you buy a random tree stuck in a bonsai pot and sold as a bonsai, technically it's really correct. But the bonsai I just show you, that's a very seriously implemented bonsai. It's very different. They are destined to become heirloom. And all you have to do is water it once a day and prune it to keep it to shape. And you have an heirloom to pass on to your children and for people to remember you with. So again, I love this little tree, this little flower, diacia. And you can put any interesting plant like a succulent or something in a pot and keep it moist. You will have a nice bonsai for indoor display. But on the other hand, if you're a serious bonsai hobbyist, then you want to get one of our bonsai, which is well implemented. We call it bonsai heirloom, bonsai uncompromised, to have truly a bonsai that will last a generation. Well, thank you very much. See you next week.